Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say French in French. Yes, it is. So this is going to be useful to designate people living in France who have the French nationality, but this is also going to be the name of the language, the French language. So how do you go about pronouncing it? In French we would say Français. Français. The S at the end is silent unless it is the feminine version of it that we'll talk about in a minute. Français is how we would say it in France. You could say, if you cannot pronounce the French R, Français. Français, but do not pronounce the S, or in French again, Français. Here is a video on how to say the feminine version of Français if you're talking about a French woman, a French girl, a French lady. Here it is. Or a French car, by the way, because cars are feminine in French for some reason. Anyhow, here it is. Many more videos. If you're here to learn more French, there are many more videos on this channel, as well as many videos on how to pronounce useful words that come from French that are very useful as well in English. Here they are, all pronounced for you. I'll see you there. Au revoir.